Welcome to Orbital, manufacturer and supplier of linear potentiometers, linear transducers, and DRO systems. The company was established in 1985 at Mumbai. ELIP, Vitron, and LMI are some of our prestigious clients. Customer-centric approach, superior quality, and cost-effectiveness are the plus points of our organization. We offer a wide assortment of Rotary Encoder, linear potentiometer, and digital readout systems. Our Rotary Encoders are best in the industry amongst others. We are offering a top-notch quality range of linear potentiometer, linear optical scale and hollow shaft encoders are highly efficient. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of digital readout systems and linear wire encode. We are offering an attractive collection of digital linear transducer and absolute encoders. To get more details, please visit our website www.linear-potentiometer-encoder.com.